If you're considering buying Dext, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Dext might be an appealing tool for businesses looking to streamline their accounting and finance processes, but is it the right fit for you? In this video, we are diving into what makes Dext stand out from its competitors. So stick with me until the end to get a clear picture of whether it's the right choice for your needs. First off, Dext is known for its ability to automate much of the accounting process, especially for small businesses and freelancers. What makes it different from others like QuickBooks or Xero is its focus on receipt capture and expense management. With Dext, you can simply take a picture of your receipt and the software extracts all the relevant details, from date to amount to category, making it incredibly efficient. While competitors do similar things, Dext's accuracy in this area really sets it apart. Next thing, the software's integration capabilities. Dext works seamlessly with a wide variety of accounting software, including QuickBooks, Xero, and others. This flexibility gives you the ability to use it alongside your current system, so you don't have to completely change your accounting software to take advantage of Dext's features. Unlike some competitors, which only work well within their own ecosystem, Dext offers real interoperability. The third thing to keep in mind is how user-friendly Dext is. The platform is designed for non-accountants, meaning you don't need a financial background to use it effectively. This is a huge plus, especially when compared to other software like ReceiptBank, which has a bit more of a learning curve. The ease of use means you can get up and running quickly without spending hours training yourself or your team. However, while it's accessible, there are still enough advanced features to satisfy more experienced users, so it works for both beginners and pros alike. Next thing, let's talk about Dext's pricing. It's not the cheapest option on the market, especially when compared to simpler tools like Expensify or even some free alternatives. However, for what it offers, the pricing is justified, particularly when you consider the time saved by automating manual data entry. You get tiered pricing based on your business size and needs, so it's scalable, which is great for growing companies. But for very small businesses, it may feel like a bit of an investment upfront. The fifth thing you need to know is the accuracy of the data extraction. Dext uses AI and machine learning to extract data from receipts and invoices, and it does a fantastic job of reducing human error. However, like all automated systems, it's not perfect. Some users report occasional mismatches, which is something to be aware of if you're handling a high volume of documents. In comparison, some other tools offer manual checks, but they tend to be slower and less efficient, whereas Dext strives for speed while maintaining accuracy. The sixth thing to consider is the level of support. Dext provides 24/7 support via live chat, and there are also plenty of tutorials and resources available. This customer service is a strong point when compared to other platforms, which sometimes leave users hanging or offer limited support options. The fact that Dext provides such comprehensive assistance makes it an attractive option for businesses looking for reliability and responsiveness. Finally, the seventh thing is the mobile experience. Dext offers a robust mobile app that allows you to scan receipts and manage expenses on the go. If you're out of the office frequently, this feature alone can save you a lot of time and effort. While other competitors may have apps, the quality of Dext's app stands out with its user-friendly design and speed. Whether you're scanning receipts or categorizing expenses, the app makes it easy to keep your finances in check no matter where you are. So now that you know the 7 things you need to consider before buying Dext, you might be wondering whether it's the right choice for you. If you're looking for an efficient, scalable tool to automate your expense management and integrate smoothly with your existing software, Dext could be a game changer for you. And the best part? You can try it completely free through the first link in the description below, which also includes some exclusive benefits. If you're ready to take your accounting to the next level with Dext, click the link below for your best free trial. Don't miss out on seeing how much time and effort you could save. Thanks for watching.